If you've got a craving for all things crispy and deep fried, get ready because June 22nd is National Onion Ring Day. This is the day we officially celebrate the ultimate, irresistible sidekick that runs circles around all other appetizers. While nobody knows exactly who first decided to dunk an onion in batter and fry it, the love for them runs deep. An early recipe popped up in a British cookbook way back in 1802, featuring Parmesan cheese and lard, while American favorites like Texas's Kirby's Pig Stand and the A&W fast food chain helped turn them into the drive-in staples we obsess over today. The coolest part about onion rings is how frying completely transforms them. The heat mellows out that sharp, tear-inducing onion bite and coaxes out a surprising, rich sweetness that pairs perfectly with a seasoned batter or crunchy panko crumbs. So, head out to your favorite diner, order a massive tower to share, or fire up the deep fryer at home. Today, feel free to skip the French fries and make the rings the main event. Happy National Onion Ring Day!